This 5-minute routine can make you look fit and feel unstoppable, instantly firing up the body and spirit. The video slides into fast, practical drills featuring planks, squats, burpees, and push-up variations you can do anywhere. Viewers are invited to push past fatigue and answer, "Can you do this for 30 seconds every day?" Even beginners can scale the pace, while seasoned athletes finish stronger through controlled breathing and tight core engagement. Drop a comment with your time and subscribe now to catch more high-energy tips that keep results rolling.